Hello friends, I hope you're doing well. Here mega pack of a roll banner template with different categories in PSD and AI for Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop files. Okay, but these are protected. First you need subscription for all access of my file. Go to Sheri skpwt.com and get subscription for lifetime, just one time payment, and you have all access of my files. Okay, so here all editable files are customizable. You can insert or change anything or modified anything. These are here EPS and AI Adobe Illustrator, and here Photoshop ATMP. Okay, that's mean you can edit in Photoshop. Here could create it roll up banner. Same thing here. Two for Adobe Illustrator, one for Photoshop digital marketing roll up banner. So you can import your design here, and you can change anything in Photoshop. For example, I open this one, and here public speaking roll up banner. Import your own photo. Open this in, you see here CMYK color. That means you can print, place your image here. I know you know how to customize or edit post in Photoshop. Mega sale controller roll up banner. Okay, great fitness. Two for Adobe Illustrator, one for Adobe Photoshop. Total size of these files 11.1 GB and total files 430, but actually design 100. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and get subscription for access. Take care. Allah Hafiz.